the idea as a tourism professional is we're trying to get folks from outside of the state to come into Kentucky and visit. But so often we need to be telling people who live here all the different places we have to go visit. And this was a great way to do that. And I think a lot of people who watch this will start making plans and start going to see some of the things they see on the show.
I had a blast helping you guys shoot this, and it was amazing to see all my hard work put into it and see the beautiful product that it created.
I have some good friends that are involved in this, and I wanted to check it out, and it was really exciting and fantastic.
I thought it was great. I'm born and raised in Kentucky. I've lived the first 24 years of my life there. It was beautiful to see a company take so much care in telling a wonderful story about my home state and all the great things there are to do here. It was beautiful.
When you're able to kind of start, in one location, which happens to be the waterway, and end quite conveniently in a glass, there's a lot of stuff to explore there, and allows people to get closer to the experience and closer to the story. And I think that's something that's really unique that hasn't been done before.
Oh, it's great. It was perfect. I mean, it kind of it shows off Harrisburg, Danville, the beautiful countryside, the Dix River, Harrington Lake. It's a great thing to start.
That's it, guys. That's all I got. I really enjoyed it. Make sure you check it out.